Cough is the reflex action of irritation or infection in throat. There are various types of cough: dry cough, chronic cough, whooping cough, etc. Phlegm is defalcated in whooping cough. Most commonly used antibiotic is azithromycin, but it is not correct to go to such high-powered antibiotics. First, patient should use less powered antibiotics. Afterwards only they switch to high-powered antibiotics. Even after taking antibiotics, if cough persists, then patient has to go diagnostic test to determine infection in lungs. Hence, consultation is doctor is must.